Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Lifecreek Air Purifier and Humidifier combo. Why you should buy choose, because it consists of the following features. Effective purification and humidification. With a CADR of 140 square meter per hour, the Lifecreek Air Purifier can purify 1084 square feet of space per hour. That's the equivalent of purifying the air in a 271 square feet kitchen 4 times per hour. The humidification module can humidify a room at an efficiency of 50 ml per hour. Superior filtration. The filter cartridge consists of 3 layers of filters, which can filter particles as small as 0.03 micron and PM2.5 air pollution, removing 99.99% of airborne particles, effectively improving indoor air quality. Smart control. In addition to touch operation, it can be controlled through Smart Life, which can be operated through your cell phone wherever you are. For example, set personal schedule, remote start or shutdown, timer shutdown, one-touch shutdown when you go out and more. Many customized functions, waiting for you to experience. Cartridge replacement. To ensure that your air purifier is purifying your air, please replace your Lifecreek filter cartridge every 4 to 6 months, depending on the air quality in your area. Our app will show you how many cartridges are left available. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.